Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing some crocheting. So I have a couple of things in mind that I want to make. First thing, I think I want to make a beanie because I have this yarn that I have been wanting to use for something. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna use this to make our beanie. So I started this beanie last night. I had to start it over once because I made it way too long. So now we're going to be making a big panel this way, and then we will put it all in one circle and then take the top and like tie it together. Basically this is like a quarter of a beanie right now, and then I wanted to fold up this way. This is what it looks like right now. So I finished crocheting my beanie last night, and I already stitched it together right here. And it's just like a big tube right now, so I need to gather the top of it like this, and we'll be done. So after we gathered the top, it should look like that, and our beanie is done. It is long like this because I made it specifically to look like that, so I can fold up the edges and make it look like that. It's really cute. I can't wait to try it on. For our next project, I'm going to be using this yarn, Karen Cloud Cakes yarn. I mentioned in my previous video, in one of my previous videos, that I'm going to try to make a sweater out of it, and I think that's what we're gonna do today. I'm going to be using a bigger hook because I want the sweater to be like very loose knit, loose crochet. I don't want it to be very tight and very like dense. I want it to be holy, not holy, but like have holes in it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do. We'll see how it goes. It is so soft. I love it. I want to take a nap on it. So let's see. It is a medium weight yarn. These are all the dimensions of the yarn right here. It was on clearance in my Kohl's, and I was really excited to get it. The suggested hook size is 4.5 millimeters, so yeah, I'm doing 8 millimeters, like double that, and hopefully it'll give me that like loose crochet kind of look. I watched someone on YouTube recently, and she said that if you don't start in the middle of your skein, we can't be friends. And I never thought of starting in the middle of my skein instead of like on the outside, because I feel like everyone usually starts to like pull the thread from the outside of the yarn, but I've never seen anyone do it from the inside, so I think I'm gonna try to do that. I can't find the end though. Oh, I found it. Okay, cool. So today I'm gonna try to crochet from the middle. feel like such an idiot that I never pulled from the center, because look, it's so easy. It doesn't go wobbling all over your table. It doesn't fall off your table when you pull the yarn from the outside. I feel very stupid right now for never trying that. Going to do 2 panels and then just sew them together, make like a very simple kind of sweater. And I crocheted 60 chains. Yeah, and I think since, yeah, I'm gonna sew it, kind of sew these parts together and leave like a very wide neck so it can be off the shoulder like this. And I think 60 chains is pretty good. So let's start on our first panel. I'm gonna test and see if I want to do half double crochets or double crochets to see what it looks like. But either one of those, you can decide it for yourself which kind of stitch you want to use. Depends on your yarn, on the look that you go for. But since I want to get it done fast, I'm gonna first see how the half double crochet looks. Yeah, I decided to do like how the half double crochet looks, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. Hey guys, it's the next day. Just wanted to update you on the sweater and how much I have done. I finished 1 panel. It's going to stretch a lot, so I did 25 rows on this one. I want to do a cropped sweater, kind of like shrug or like a very cropped sweater, because I only have 1 skein of this yarn and I got it on clearance, so I don't know if I can get another one. And so yesterday I did 1 panel and I started another one right here. I think this one has like 18 rows, so I'm almost done. So I'm gonna finish 2 panels and then start on my sleeves, and we should be done with our sweater then.
One eternity later.
I'm finally done with both of my front panels and my sleeves, and now I just have to put it all together and we'll be done with my sweater. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!